Alright you guys, so I already went ahead and did my brows off camera and added some concealer as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm just going to go in with some powder just to set the concealer before applying any eyeshadow. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I will be using my Painted Artistry Canvas palette. First I'm just going to grab this white shadow and just highlight my brow bone. Then I'm going to grab this shadow right here called Cherry, and this I'm going to place right into my creases and just blend that out. Then I'm going to grab my face powder. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade 56. This is what I'm going to use to smooth out this shadow. And I'm just blending everything out until I have a super smooth transition. Just like that. Next, I'm going to grab this shadow right here called Red Flag. And this I'm going to pack onto my lids. Then you want to go back in with that first brush and just blend everything together. I'm just going to go in with some black in my upper waterline. That is it for the lashes, and I think these look really cute. Foundation, I'm using the NARS foundation. This one is in the shade Macao. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Melting and Bronzing Stick. This one is in the shade Chocolate Caramel. So I'll be using these two blushes by Juvia's Place. This one is in the shade Very Berry, and this one is in the shade Cheeky Cherry. So the darkest one I'm going to place on the outer parts of my cheeks. Alright, now I'm going to go with the lighter red, and I'm going to go right over this blush right here. It looks crazy right now, but I promise you it's all going to come together. Concealer, I'm going in with my Tara 28 concealer in the shade OC. Now I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more concealer in the inner corners right here. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go in and set my under eyes, but of course I'm going to use my pressed powder first before my loose setting powder. And this one is the Maybelline Matte Poreless powder in the shade 310. And this I'm just going to apply under my under eyes wherever I applied any concealer, my chin, and on my forehead. Now I'm going to go in and add a little bronze. I'm using the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Dark. Now to really set my under eyes and actually lock in all of that powder, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. This one is in the shade Cherry Peach. For blush, I'll be going with this Morphe blush in the shade Cabana Club. And yeah, I'm going to grab this shade right here. And I'm usually not a huge fan of red blush, but this looks really good. Y'all, I'm contemplating whether or not I should add some highlighter to the cheeks, but I also feel like it just looks really good matte, and I don't want to fuck with it. So I'm just going to add some highlighter to the bridge of my nose. And yeah, we're going to leave it like that because I don't want to try to look off. I'm really loving the matte look. Now I'm going to go in and set all of this powder using my One Size Powder Melt Spray. Oh, it's a lot. I'm going in with some black into my waterline. That is pretty much it for face. Now let's move on to lips. I'm going in with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This one is in the shade Limitless Brown. Then for the center of my lips, I'm going in with my ABH lipstick in the shade Soft Haze. Then I'm going to grab a bit of this blush that I use on my cheek. This one was in the shade Very Berry. And I'm going to use a small eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to apply this right here to the center of my lips. Just like that. To go over the outline, I'll be going in with the Lawless Gloss. This one is in the shade Maple Sugar. Yeah, Maple Sugar. And I'm just going to go over that lip liner. And then for all over the lip, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This one is in the shade Toffee. I honestly thought I had y'all beat with the pink look, but this one, the red is so stunning. And honestly, I've been like really loving red lately. I don't know what it is, if it's like just the Valentine's season, but red has been my color all February. But this red look, yeah.